Hello, everybody. Welcome to a smart grasp, explore, and win. Greetings for the day. Let's get started with today's topic.
Chapter 1 Number Systems Exercise 1.4. In that first sum, visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. The term magnification means we are supposed to zoom out and show something. Generally, we use the term magnification when we need to zoom and see a very small object. If at all we need to see a small object, we will be communicating like, okay, magnify it and show me, something like that. Microorganisms are magnified and showed to us using some special lens. So here 3.765 is a very small number when you put it on a number line. So we are going to magnify that number in order to present it more clearly. So the first digit is 3. Let's focus the value 3 on the number line. So in the step 1, let's draw the number line from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The first digit is 3. The value 3.765 lies between 3 and 4 because 3.765 is greater than 3, lesser than 4. Therefore, it lies between 3 and 4. 3.765 lies between 3 and 4. Now, let's magnify this 3 and 4 in the second step. We should choose 3 and 4 as the start and end point, and we should start the number line with 3 and close it with 4, and we are supposed to put the in between values with decimals. So after 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8 and 3.9. After that it is 4. Now let's look into the question. 3.765. This 3.765 lies between 3.7 and 3.8 because 3.765 is greater than 3.7 and lesser than 3.8. So 3.765 lies between 3.7 and 3.8. Now in the third step, we are going to magnify 3.7 and 3.8. So let's start the number line with 3.7 and we will write till 3.8. Now with two decimal places, we are going to fill in the in-between numbers. After 3.7, it is 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79, then 3.8, that is 3.80. Even this starts as 3.70. There is no point in writing zeros after decimal places as it doesn't hold any value. Now let's focus the question. 3.765 greater than 3.76, less than 3.77. So the given value lies between 3.76 and 3.77. 3.765 lies between 3.76 and 3.77. So in the last step, we are going to magnify 3.76 and 3.77. Let's start with 3.76 and we will write till 3.77. So the numbers will be with 3 decimal places. 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766, 3.767, 3.768, 3.769. In order to avoid presenting it clumsy, I have written the numbers on the top. Now in this number line, we can find the value 3.765. Here it is. So this is the procedure to do a successive magnification. .765 lies between 3.764 and 3.766. Similarly, we are supposed to do the second sum. Visualize 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. The bar on the top of 26 represents we are supposed to repeat those two values, and it is a never-ending one. So it will be like 4.26262626 and it goes on. But they have asked us to visualize it only up to 4 decimal places. Hence, the value will be 4.2626. So in this we have 5 digits 4, 2, 6, 2, 6. Hence we will require 5 steps to magnify this. In the first step, as usual, we will draw the number line. We will start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it goes on. Now this 4.2626 lies between 4 and 5 because it is greater than 4 and lesser than 5. 4.2626 lies between 4 and 5. In the second step, we are going to magnify the numbers between 4 and 5. Let's start the number line from 4. So it will be with 1 decimal places. 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, and 4.9. Now this 4.2626 is greater than 4.2 but less than 4.3. Therefore, it lies between these two values. 4.2626 lies between 4.2 and 4.3. Now let's magnify the numbers between 4.2 and 4.3. 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29. Now the given question 4.2626 lies between 4.26 and 4.27 because it is greater than 4.26 and lesser than 4.27. Now as a next step, we are going to magnify the numbers between 4.26 and 4.27, and it will be a number line with 3 decimal places 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, and it goes on in this fashion. Now the question 4.2626 lies between 4.262 and 4.263 because it is greater than 4.262 and lesser than 4.263. Therefore, 4.2626 lies between 4.262 and 4.263. Now let's magnify the numbers between these two values. 4.262. Next 4.2621. It will be of 4 decimal places. 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, and it goes on. 4.2629, then finally 4.263. Now the given question lies here, just after the 4.2625 and 4.2627. 4.2626 lies between 4.2625 and 4.2627. With this, we have completed this exercise.
Thank you all for watching Smart. Grasp, explore, and win. Stay tuned for more videos.